Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is matrices. An arrangement of elements in a rectangular array contains rows and columns. అంటే ఏంటి ఒక matrices లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేవి rows and columns వైజ్ గా ఉంటాయి. Where m by n matrices. M represents rows, n represents columns. Example 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 0. It contains horizontal wise are called rows and vertical lines are columns. Now, how to define the order of the matrices? Let us see. A equal to 1, 4, 5, 3, 0, 2, 0, 8, 9. The order of a matrices can be represented with m by n. Means here it contains 3 rows and 3 columns. So the order of a above matrices is 3 by 3. Let us see another example. 2, 1, 3, 0. It contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So it is a order of a matrices is 2 by 2. Let us see types of matrices. There are 7 types of matrices. First one is the square matrix. This rows is equal to number of columns. Example 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So it is a square matrix. Second one, diagonal matrix. In each of non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is 0. Then that matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Example 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. Here only the diagonal elements are the numbers. These are the remaining are zeros. Next, third one is the scalar matrix. If each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is 0 and the remaining elements are same. Example 3, 0, 0, 0, 4, sorry, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. Here the diagonal elements are equal. Then it is a scalar matrix. Fourth one, unit matrix. If each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is 0 and the diagonal elements is equal to the 1. Example 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The diagonal elements are only 1. So it is a unit matrix or identity matrix. If each element in a matrix is 0, then it is said to be the null matrix. Example 0, 0, 0, 0. All the elements are zeros. Next one is the row and column matrix. In a matrix contains with only one row is said to be the row matrix. If a matrix contains only one column is called a column matrix. Example 1, 2, 3. It contains only one row. So it is a row matrix and column matrix. 2, 1. The order is 2 by 1. It contains with one column. So it is a column matrix. Next, triangular matrix. If A equal to A of ij equal to 0, A I greater than j, then it is a upper triangular matrix. Means example 1 2 0 3. It contains the 0 here, so it is a upper triangular matrix. If A equal to A of ij equal to 0, I less than j, then its condition is lower triangular matrix. Example 1 0 3 4. It contains 0 here, so it is a lower triangular matrix. Now the important questions from the matrices. If omega is a complex cube root of 1, then show that 1 omega square 1 omega square 1 omega equal to 0. This condition we have to prove. So from LHS side, 1 omega square square 1 omega square 1 omega. Here R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 tends to 1 plus omega square. Next, omega square 1. Omega square plus 1 plus omega. These terms are same. Omega square 1, omega square 1 omega. As we know that 1 plus omega square plus omega is equal to 0. Substitute above 0, 0, 0, omega square 1, omega square 1 omega equal to 0. Hence proved. Show that A minus B minus C 2A 2B B minus C minus A 2B 2C C minus A minus B equal to A plus B plus C whole cube. This we have to prove. For that I am taking LHS side. Here R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Next 2A plus B minus C minus A plus 2C. 2A plus 2B plus C minus A minus B. 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. A is the only single term is there. A minus B plus 2B plus B minus C plus 2C plus C. 2A minus A. A only plus B is the single term. Next minus C plus 2C plus C. 2A minus A plus 2B minus B. C is the single term. 2B C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. B plus C. I am taking a plus b plus c common here. So when we take common here, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 1, 1. Next 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Here I am making the changes column 2, column 3 by using the column 1. So C2 tends to C2 minus C1, C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Column 1 is same, 1, 2b, 2c. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. B minus C minus A minus 2B. B minus 2B minus B minus C minus A. 2C minus 2C is 0. Next, third column, 1 minus 1, 0. 2B minus 2B, 0. C minus A minus B minus 2C. C minus 2C is minus C. Minus A minus B minus minus A minus C minus B. Here we have to find the det for 1. How we are finding the det? Let us see. A plus B plus C is common, same. So det for 1, no. So we have to neglect this column and this row. So remaining what we get? This term. Minus B, minus C, minus A, 0, 0, minus C, minus A, minus B. Multiply these terms, A plus B plus C into minus B, minus C, minus A into minus C, minus A, minus B. A plus B plus C into. Here I am taking the minus common, A plus B plus C. Here also I am taking the minus common, C plus A plus B. The both negative signs combined and we'll get the plus. A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. The whole becomes A plus B plus C whole cube. Hence proved. నా వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయండి అండ్ క్లిక్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.